Adding text into your videos makes them clearer to understand, makes them more appealing to watch, and is known to boost a viewer's engagement with the video. So instead of just having blank text from iMovie or Movie Maker, why don't we actually try and add some effects to make sure they look as good as possible? And we can do this by adding simple text that won't take you much time at all. Let me show you how to do this. You'll need to head over to the first link in the description, which will take you to VEED, or you can also type in VEED.new in your URL. And once you're here, you'll need to upload your desired footage, or just choose from the stock videos and templates that we have here. So for right now, I'm just going to select this stock footage. Now that we have our video ready, let's add some text to it. In the left-hand menu here, you'll need to click on the text button. And if you want, you can use one of VEED's templates for text here, or if you want to completely start from scratch and create your own, then click on the top option labeled headline title. So we can see that it's popped up now on our timeline as a separate track, which we can move if we need to into a specific place, or we can actually lengthen it or shorten it. But right now it looks pretty plain, so let's add some effects to it. Back in that left-hand menu, we have the options to change the font, the size, the duration, the positioning, and if we even click on more options, we can also add an outline or a block behind the text to make it stand out even more. So after a few minutes of playing around, I've actually made some text I'm quite happy with for this video, and if we want to make more than one track to appear at the same time, we can easily do that by pressing this add another text box below. It'll just create another generic text box that we can edit to our desire, and then depending on what device you're using, you can use one of these shortcuts to paste it in that same timeline, and you should have two text boxes that look the same. So our basic text is looking pretty good right now, so let's add some actual effects to it. For the majority of effects, we can actually look to the animation box over here, which will open up and it'll show you all of the effect options that you have for your text. Usually in other editing softwares, this is really complex and something you need to take hours and hours of time to learn and understand, but here you can actually use one of these templates to put it in for you, so feel free to have a play around and see what effects work for you. So I've actually been a little bit creative here, and I've used a typewriter effect on one piece of text, and then to make it look like a seamless transition, I've used another piece of text with the block animation on it, so that it goes from one to the other really easily. But let's not just leave it there, let's add some graphics to our text and effects. Go to the Elements tab on the left hand side and you can pick out from this really wide selection. There's social media logos for like Facebook and YouTube, there's abstract drawings that you can use to make the video pop, and there's even call to action icons like telling you to subscribe or even hit the like button, which you should totally do if you found this video helpful. So for this video, I've added the Spotify icons so that I can tell them that our podcast will be on Spotify, so then I don't have to make the video longer and waste more of the viewer's time by adding extra audio just to tell them that it's on Spotify. It's a classic show and not tell, and with videos getting shorter and shorter, these call to action buttons are going to be super useful. But let's say that you want to go even a step further and you want to add something extra that's not typically done in YouTube videos, like for example maybe add a signature to your intro or something hand drawn. Well, you can do that with VEED as well. In the very bottom of the left hand menu, there's a section called Draw, and here you can choose what size brush you'd like, and then you can get straight to work drawing on your video. You can take that tool and then draw on the project window, which will create a brand new layer in the timeline which you can move, lengthen, shorten, edit however you want to move it to. And if you want to, you can actually also edit the drawing that you've made by changing the position, the size, or even the color of it. I think it's a great tool that creators can use for their videos because it adds a personal touch and it's actually not used in many videos. So now that your video's done, what you want to do is go to the top right hand corner here and click on the export button. It'll give you a bunch of options for different sort of quality of the resolution that you want to export it to, so you want to make sure that you're clicking the correct one. In this one, I've just done it as HD, so we can export it like that. There's also an option here at the bottom that says burn subtitles, and if you've watched any of our subtitle videos or transcription videos, which will be linked in the corners here, then you'll know that you'll need that if you add any subtitles to a video, but we don't have that in this one, so we can just click export here. And here's our video ready to go. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, an easy, simple way for you to add effects and animations to your text. Now you can create your videos much faster without having to spend countless hours trying to learn any sort of animation skills or using expensive software. And if you want to check out more that VEED can do, then I recommend that you click on these two videos here, which will help you better edit your videos. Let me know in the comments down below how you're using VEED for your videos, and I'll see you guys over at one of these videos. Goodbye.